Hi, I'm Angie. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to play you the Hapi bell, and yes, it does make you happy. But before we get on with that, I just want to draw your attention to a couple of things. So down in the description below, there's a link to sign up for a free self-assessment. If you want to banish your toxic habits, then you can sign up for that below. There's also the Sekhmet Healing Meditations that you can sign up for. That link is also below in the description. And other platforms that we're on as well. We're on Odyssey and BitChute. Because there have been issues with our videos being reported. So, as soon as we can get off of here, the better. And I've now solved the BitChute upload problem. So it's all good. So you can either head off to BitChute, like I say, the links are down below, BitChute or Odyssey, whichever one you fancy. And we're also on MeWe because we've had problems with Facebook in the past as well, censoring us. This is even before the COVID mischief going on. So we're on MeWe as well. We've got groups on there. I'm on there. What else did I want to say? Oh, we got events coming up. We're starting a regular healing circle. So if you are on our email list, you'll get details of that. If you're not on any of our email lists, when you sign up below, either for either of the free meditations or the free self-assessment, you will get sent details of any of our events that we're holding. So yeah, we've got I think it's a monthly healing circle that we're going to start doing. It's not going to be the same thing every week because personally I'd find that boring, so I'm guessing you would too. So it's going to be a different thing. So it might be drumming, it might be meditation, it could be anything that gets you healing. So yeah, if you want the details of that, then you can either email me or you can sign up to one of our free offers and you'll get those details come through. I'm going to get back onto the regular videos. It's just been, I don't know about you guys out there, but I don't know. There's been a lot more inner work happening. I don't know if you've had that, if you felt that. The energy's changing. I don't know if you felt that. We are now, for the past 3 weeks, I think it's 3 weeks, 3 or 4 weeks, we've been sitting every day for at least an hour in meditation, which both myself and Ian we used to struggle with that a little bit, like the stillness of it, because I'm not very good at sitting still. But that has been amazing for us. If you are in any of our groups on MeWe, I'm going to be sharing the links to these meditations. They're guided and not guided at the same time, but you do sit in meditation for an hour. Yeah. So I'm going to be sharing those links at some point in MeWe, in the groups. Because they've been really amazing, actually. Crystal's Rock website is evolving. It's just taking its time because these things, it's just me that does this work, so it takes time. Also, if you want to find out a bit more about myself and Ian, I'm currently building a website which will have our journey, what we do, that kind of stuff on it. And that's being built as well. So, there's a lot of things that are being built at the moment to move us forward in the business that, we resonate with. So, yeah. Anyway, if you love what we do and you get value from this, then absolutely hit the like button, share it with people that you might know that you think would love it. And if you really, really love what we do, and all donations are very much appreciated, there is a donation link down in the description right at the bottom. Thank you to everyone who makes donations to us in any way, shape or form. It's very much appreciated. Okay, so I'm going to stop waffling now. And we're going to get on with the sound healing.